In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily allow pop-ups on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. If on your iPhone in Safari pop-ups are not appearing where they should, then you probably just need to change something in the settings. To do that, first off, I'm gonna open up settings and then we need to scroll down all the way until we find Safari here. And that's where, if we scroll down a bit, we can easily find Block Pop-ups tool. If it is activated, it means that all the pop-ups will be blocked, and to enable them, all we have to do is just turn off that switch. Once you've done that, just open up Safari, and if you are on the page where the pop-up should appear, just reload it. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.